Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix your normal videos uploads as shorts on YouTube. So if you filmed a vertical video, chances are high that your content, and you upload as a normal video, chances are high that it ended on shorts, right? So what you need to do here to prevent that is simply you need to just open up Canva, create an account. It's completely free. Then you just need to set up a size. So let's go with YouTube video 1920 times 1080. Then just create a blank YouTube video here. After that, just hit upload and upload your video here, and then drag it here and then expand a bit. And next, what you can do here, you can duplicate video and make it as a background, but I don't really like it because it's quality, it's not that good. So what I do here, I go on elements, then I just choose whatever color you like. I like black color, and then look for graphics, and then we need to look for not paid, so black background, for example. As you can see here, there is a lot of paid ones, but let's go with this one. For example, let's make it to 90 degrees and let's make it a bit bigger. Then position, make it backwards. And then you can change, play with the transparency and all the stuff here. But nevertheless, it should be something similar like this. And then what you need to do here is to press share. Press download, then download as MP4 video, right? After that, just go to YouTube, upload that video that you got it from Canva, and then as you can see here, I just did that, and I just uploaded video, and now it's checking. But if we go here and try to watch it, as you can see here, now this video is normal. And it was, as you can see here, as a short, right? So yeah, that's basically it. And if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.